Today, we're on a mission to prove that you don't need a fortune to build a fantastic woodworking toolkit. We are hunting down 30 essential tools for every budget, and I mean every budget. We've got workhorses for just under $100 and some incredible finds for even less than $10. So no matter if you're just starting out or filling a gap in your workshop, stick around. You're going to find something you need. Let's kick things off in our under $10 category with a tool no workshop can be without, a solid and reliable hammer. This is the IRWIN 16 fiberglass general purpose hammer, and for just $9, it offers some fantastic features. The head is made from forged steel, which means it's incredibly tough and built to last through years of use. One of the best things about it is the fiberglass handle. This material is great at absorbing vibrations, so when you're hammering away on a project, your arm won't feel as much of a jolt. This makes it much more comfortable for longer work sessions. The handle itself has what IRWIN calls a Pro Touch design, with curves and contours that make it easy to grip and control. Finally, the face of the hammer is smooth, which is perfect for finished carpentry because it won't leave marks or dings on your wood surfaces, keeping your final project looking clean and professional. Next up, now that you have a way to join things, you'll need an efficient way to make precise cuts. You might be shocked to hear that this Japanese handsaw comes in at an unbelievable $3. This isn't your typical Western style saw, it's a pull saw, which means it cuts on the pull stroke. This often gives you more control and allows for a thinner blade, resulting in a cleaner cut. The blade itself is made from SK5 high carbon steel and is double-sided. One side has 17 teeth per inch for fine detailed cuts, while the other has 11 teeth per inch for more general purpose cutting. The blade is also flexible, which is a huge advantage when you need to make flush cuts, like trimming dowels perfectly flat against a surface. For anyone new to woodworking, its lightweight design and precise cutting ability make it an amazing and incredibly affordable tool to get started with. Speaking of finishing, getting a smooth surface is key, and this next item helps you do just that without damaging your tools. Here we have the POLIWELL 5-inch 8 holes interface pad, a simple but brilliant accessory for your orbital sander, costing only $9 for a pack of 2. If you've ever worked on a curved or uneven surface, like a wooden bowl, you know how hard it can be to sand it evenly without damaging the sander's backing pad. This soft sponge cushion sits between your sanding pad and your sanding disc. It's constructed of a soft sponge that allows the pad to flex and follow the contours of your workpiece. This gives you much better results on non-flat surfaces and gets you closer to the edges while minimizing the risk of burn-through. It features a hook and loop system, so one side sticks to your sander and the other to your sanding disc. The 8-hole design also ensures dust extraction still works perfectly, prolonging the life of your sander. Of course, no woodworking project gets far without a good glue up, and this tool makes that process cleaner and more efficient. For just $5, the Milescraft 5223 GlueMate 450 is a game changer for applying wood glue. This isn't just a simple bottle. It has a clever 2-chamber design. When you squeeze it, glue is pushed up from the main storage chamber into a smaller application chamber. This gives you incredible control over the flow, so you can lay down a precise bead of glue exactly where you need it without making a mess. A huge benefit of this design is that it works at any angle, even vertically, which is something a standard glue bottle just can't do. It holds 15 ounces of glue and comes with 2 different applicator tips, a fine point cone for narrow boards or dowel holes, and a flat biscuit tip that's perfect for spreading a wider bead for things like biscuit joints. To wrap up our super affordable category, let's talk about making holes, which is a fundamental task in woodworking. This Cobalt Drill Bit Set from MacXCoip provides a ton of value for only $8. It comes with 13 different drill bits, ranging in size from 1/16 of an inch all the way up to 1/4 of an inch, so you're covered for most common screw sizes and projects. These aren't just standard bits. They're M35 Cobalt drill bits. The addition of cobalt makes them much more durable and resistant to heat, which means they stay sharp longer, especially when drilling into harder materials. The bits feature a 135-degree point tip and a twist design, which helps them cut faster and self-center, so they won't walk or wander when you start drilling. They come neatly organized in a case with size indexes, making it easy to grab the right one when you need it. Moving into our next price bracket, we have tools that offer more specialized functions and robust builds. First up is a jig that takes the guesswork out of installing cabinet hardware. The Milescraft 1340 cabinet hardware jig is a must-have if you're installing knobs or pulls on doors and drawers. For $27, it ensures every single piece of hardware is perfectly placed and completely uniform. It has adjustable sliding stops that you lock in place to align the drill guide, allowing you to repeat the exact same hole pattern on multiple pieces without measuring each time. A really smart feature is its reversible design. You can drill a left-hand door, then simply flip the jig over to do the matching right-hand door, and your hardware position remains perfectly mirrored. The jig includes 3 steel 5mm bushings, which guide your drill bit to create accurate, straight holes every time. It's a huge time saver that delivers professional-looking results. Next, we have a timeless measuring tool that is absolutely indispensable in any woodworking shop. This is the IRWIN Combination Square, and at $12, it's one of the most versatile measuring and marking tools you can own. Its primary function is to let you accurately mark or check for perfect 90-degree and 45-degree angles, which is essential for joinery and frame construction. The body is made from a durable cast zinc, and the blade is rust-proof stainless steel, so it's built to withstand workshop conditions. The scales are precision etched in black, making them very easy to read. But it's more than just a square. You can also slide the ruler and lock it in place to use it as a depth gauge for checking mortises, or as a marking gauge for transferring measurements consistently across a board. It's a simple tool that performs multiple critical tasks with precision. Now for a gadget that doesn't work on your wood, but instead makes your work a whole lot easier. Ever find yourself holding screws in your mouth, or constantly fumbling in your pockets for a nail? For $19, the RAK Magnetic Wristband solves that problem in a simple but brilliant way. You just strap it to your wrist, and its 10 embedded extra strong magnets securely hold on to all your small metal fasteners like screws, nails, bolts, and washers. It even holds drill bits. This keeps everything you need right at your fingertips, saving you from constantly going back and forth to your toolbox or workbench. The wristband is made from a tough, tear-resistant ballistic nylon, so it's designed to be rugged. It's also comfortable, with a breathable mesh on the inside and an adjustable strap that ensures a good fit for almost anyone. It's like having a third hand dedicated to holding your hardware. When you're working with edge banding or veneers, getting a clean, flush finish is crucial, and this next tool is designed for exactly that. The Kimgsoak Edge Banding Trimmer is a specialized tool that will give your projects a highly professional look. Priced at $26, it's designed to trim the excess edge banding material flush with the surface of your board smoothly and effortlessly. It uses a high-hardness HSS blade that is incredibly sharp, producing long, clean shavings and leaving a perfect finish that requires very little sanding. The body is made from a high-density aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and durable. A great feature is the thickened, wear-resistant pad on the base, which protects the surface of your board from getting scratched while you work. It's easy to set up and use, and it's suitable for materials like PVC, ABS, melamine, and wood veneer up to 1 mm thick. After cutting and shaping, you'll often need to refine and smooth your workpiece, which is where a good set of files comes in handy. This REXBETI 25-piece metal file set offers an incredible amount of versatility for just $25. It's a comprehensive kit that equips you for a wide range of shaping, smoothing, and finishing tasks. You get 4 large files, flat, triangle, half round, and round, for aggressive material removal on bigger surfaces. For more detailed and precise work, the set includes 12 precision needle files. All the files are made from T12 drop-forged alloy steel, with deeply milled teeth that are tempered for long-lasting cutting performance. As a bonus, the kit also includes sandpaper, a pair of working gloves, and a metal wire brush for cleaning. Everything comes packed in a rugged carrying case, keeping all your tools organized and protected. The long, soft, rubbery handles make them comfortable to use for extended periods. While we've already looked at one hammer, this next one is a legendary choice for professionals and serious DIYers. For $24, you can own the ESTWING 16-ounce straight rip claw hammer, a tool famous for its quality and durability. What makes ESTWING hammers unique is that they are forged in one single piece from American steel. There are no welds or joints connecting the head and handle, which means there are no weak points. This makes it one of the most durable striking tools you can buy. The rip claw is straighter than a curved claw, making it excellent for prying boards apart, demolition work, and of course, pulling nails. This model also features ESTWING's patented shock reduction grip, which they claim reduces impact vibration by a remarkable 70%. This significantly reduces fatigue and makes it much more comfortable to use, especially on big projects like framing or roofing. Accurate measurements are the foundation of all woodworking, and having a reliable tape measure is non-negotiable. This MulWark 2-pack metric tape measure set gives you 2 professional-grade tapes for $29. You get a main heavy-duty 8-meter, or about 26-foot tape, and a smaller 5-meter secondary tape. The main tape has a wide 25mm blade that is thick enough to extend over 7 feet horizontally without bending, which is incredibly helpful when you're measuring long distances by yourself. A standout feature is the powerful magnetic hook on the end. This allows it to securely attach to metal surfaces, perfect for working with steel frames or just as a handy way to pick up dropped screws. The tape also has a true zero claw that automatically compensates for its own thickness, ensuring precise measurements whether you're taking an inside or outside reading. The soft rubberized handle provides a comfortable, anti-slip grip. Copying irregular shapes and curves can be one of the trickiest parts of woodworking, but this tool makes it surprisingly simple. The Freeke contour gauge is a clever tool designed to duplicate any shape with high precision. For just $14, this 12-inch gauge can save you a ton of time and frustration. It's made of high-quality ABS plastic pins that are 50% wider than standard gauges, allowing them to conform to any profile you press them against, whether it's for fitting flooring around a pipe, copying a curve for a custom shelf, or duplicating molding. Once you've captured the shape, it has a locking feature that holds the pins tightly in place so the contour won't change while you transfer it to your workpiece to be cut. It's an incredibly useful tool for tiling, laminate work, and any kind of custom carpentry where you need to match an existing profile perfectly. Drilling pilot holes and countersinking for screws are everyday tasks, and this set combines them for maximum efficiency. For $29, the EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set is a comprehensive 15-piece kit that streamlines the process of installing screws in wood. These bits are designed to do 3 things in one action: drill the pilot hole for the screw, create the countersink so the screw head sits flush, and even make a counterbore. The bits themselves are crafted from industrial-grade high-speed steel with a night-righted surface, making them tougher and more wear-resistant than standard bits. A key feature is the adjustable depth stop collars. You can set them to control exactly how deep the pilot hole is, ensuring perfect consistency across your entire project. The set includes 7 tapered drill bits in common sizes, 2 wood plug cutters for hiding screw heads, and other accessories, all designed to give your work a clean, professional finish. Cutting thin, repeatable strips on a table saw can be tricky and sometimes unsafe, but a specialized jig can make it both easy and precise. This thin rip jig from GOKEOEO is a fantastic table saw accessory for $25. It's designed to help you safely and accurately cut multiple thin strips of wood to the exact same thickness. You slide it into your table saw's miter slot and lock it down. Then you set the distance between the jig's roller bearing and your saw blade to the desired thickness of your strip. You use the jig as your reference point instead of the fence, which keeps your workpiece from getting trapped between the blade and the fence, a common cause of kickback. The jig has a one-way roller bearing that ensures the wood only moves forward towards the blade, adding another layer of safety. It has laser-engraved scales in both millimeters and inches for precise setup, allowing you to make perfectly repetitive cuts with ease. Now we're getting into tools with more advanced features, like digital precision and heavy-duty construction. First, let's look at a modern take on a classic layout tool. For $32, the Klein Tools 935 DAG digital electronic level and angle gauge brings digital accuracy to your workshop. This compact tool can be used as a digital level, but its main purpose is to measure and set angles with precision. It has a high visibility reverse contrast display that's easy to read even in low light, and it even auto-rotates when you turn it upside down. The base is strongly magnetic, so you can attach it directly to a miter saw blade to set the perfect angle, or to any other ferromagnetic surface. The edges also have a V-groove, which helps it sit perfectly aligned on pipes or conduit. It can measure angles from 0 to 90 degrees, or 0 to 180 degrees, making it incredibly useful for everything from setting blade angles to ensuring perfect alignment in your projects. Protecting yourself and your clothes in the workshop is important, and a good apron does both while also keeping your tools handy. This heavy-duty woodworking apron from UUP is more than just a piece of fabric. It's a wearable tool belt that offers great protection, and it costs $34. It's made from a 20-ounce heavy-duty waxed canvas, which is water-resistant, oil-proof, and dirt-proof, so it can handle the mess of a busy workshop. The apron is loaded with 9 pockets of various sizes, including a chest pocket for your phone and loops for your hammer, giving you a place for all your essential hand tools. A really clever feature is the magnetic pocket located just above the large kangaroo pocket. It's perfect for holding screws, nails, or drill bits so they don't fall out when you bend over. The crossback straps are designed for comfort, distributing the weight evenly across your shoulders instead of straining your neck. For quick pruning jobs or breaking down smaller pieces of wood, a mini chainsaw can be incredibly convenient. At $39, the Tietoc 6-inch mini electric chainsaw is a powerful and lightweight tool that's perfect for garden trimming and smaller woodworking tasks. It's cordless and weighs only 3.3 pounds, making it incredibly easy to handle, especially for users who might find a full-size chainsaw intimidating. Despite its small size, it has an 880-watt motor that can cut through a 6-inch branch with no effort. A standout feature for a tool in this class is the automatic oiler system. You just fill the small tank and it lubricates the chain as you work, which reduces wear and ensures smoother cutting. It comes with a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, 2 chains, and a security lock to prevent accidental activation, making it both convenient and safe to use. You can never have enough clamps in a woodworking shop, and this set offers great value and versatility. This HORUSDY 8-pack bar clamp set provides a fantastic assortment of clamping options for just $31. In the kit, you get 4 6-inch bar clamps, 2 12-inch bar clamps, and 2 6-inch spring clamps. The bar clamps are made with a strong nylon body and a hardened steel bar, so they are durable enough for frequent use. They offer up to 150 pounds of clamping force, which is plenty for most glue-ups and assembly tasks. A really versatile feature is the quick change button. With a simple push, you can remove the fixed jaw, reverse it, and turn the clamp into a spreader, which is useful for pushing pieces apart. The pads have a non-slip texture to enhance grip, and the quick release design makes adjustments fast and easy. A sharp set of chisels is fundamental for fine-tuning joints, cleaning up mortises, and all kinds of detailed carving work. For $39, the Enertwist 13-piece wood chisel set is a complete kit that is perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. It includes a full range of 8 chisels, from a small 1/4 inch size up to a wide 1.5 inch chisel. The blades are made from durable CRV steel with a bevel edge, making them suitable for all types of wood. Each chisel features a robust handle with a hardened steel strike cap on the end, so you can safely strike them with a hammer for heavy-duty work. What really makes this set stand out is that it comes with a honing guide and a sharpening stone. This allows you to maintain a perfect 25 or 30-degree angle on the blade, keeping your chisels razor sharp. The entire set, including Carpenter pencils and a sharpener, comes in a hard storage case. Accurate marking is the first step to accurate cutting, and these pencils are designed specifically for the workshop environment. This Nicpro 15-pack Carpenter pencil set is an incredibly comprehensive marking kit for $31. You get 2 solid Carpenter pencils that use thick 2.8mm refills, perfect for making bold, clear lines on rough surfaces. It also includes 2 mechanical pencils with 2mm refills for finer, more detailed drawing and layout work. The real advantage is the deep hole marker pencil, which has an elongated 45mm tip designed to reach into tight spots or mark through drill holes. The set also comes with a carbide scribe tool for marking on hard materials like metal or glass, and an automatic center punch for creating a starting dimple for drilling. With a variety of colored lead refills included, you can mark effectively on light and dark surfaces alike. As your collection of benchtop tools grows, being able to move them around easily can completely transform your workshop's efficiency. The Bora Portamate PM1100 Mobile Base Kit allows you to make virtually any large tool mobile for $49. The kit includes 4 corner pieces with sturdy 3-inch casters, and you provide your own standard 3/4 inch plywood to create a base of the exact custom size you need. This means you can create a mobile platform for your table saw, bandsaw, workbench, or any other heavy piece of equipment. It's rated to support up to 400 pounds, so it can handle some serious machinery. The best part is the quick lock wheel system. Each corner has an easy access foot lever that you can press to lift the tool off the casters and set it down firmly on adjustable rubber feet for stability. This lets you move your tools out of the way to save space, and then lock them securely in place when you're ready to work. For someone just starting out, or in need of an all-in-one solution for home repairs and light DIY, a comprehensive toolkit is a great option. This 132-piece toolkit is a complete home handyman set that comes in at $45. The centerpiece is the 8-volt cordless drill. It's lightweight at only 1.65 pounds and features variable speed control, making it perfect for drilling in wood and plastic or for driving screws. It even has a built-in LED light to illuminate your work area. The kit is packed with essential hand tools, including precision screwdrivers for small fasteners, full-size screwdrivers, a bit driver, and a 10-piece drill bit set. The tools are made from corrosion-resistant alloy steel with anti-slip grips for comfortable use. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable carrying case, making it a great all-in-one package for any DIY enthusiast. In this price range, we start seeing tools that offer serious protection, heavy-duty performance, and enhanced power. Safety should always be a priority, especially when dealing with finishes and fine dust. For $72, this full-face organic vapor respirator from Tesoro provides comprehensive protection for your eyes, face, and lungs. When you're working with paints, finishes, or even just creating a lot of fine dust, a standard dust mask isn't enough. This mask features an airtight silicone seal that protects you from fumes and particulates, while the thick lens shield protects your eyes from debris. It uses dual-activated charcoal filters, which are designed for easy and natural breathing. A really important feature for a workshop environment is the built-in voice amplification diaphragm, which allows for clearer communication, so you don't have to remove your mask to speak to someone. It's a dependable safety solution that offers a high level of protection for woodworking and many other jobs. A solid vise is the heart of any workbench, acting as a third hand to hold your work securely. The VEVOR Bench Vise 6.5 is a heavy-duty tool that provides immense clamping power for $59. It's forged from sturdy 60,000 pounds per square inch ductile iron, which means it's built to be incredibly strong and can withstand serious abuse. The vise has 6-inch wide jaws that can open up to 5.9 inches and a throat depth of 3.5 inches, so it can hold a wide variety of workpieces. It delivers up to 4,496 pounds of clamping force, ensuring your project won't budge while you're working on it. A key feature is the base, which can rotate a full 360 degrees, allowing you to position your work at the perfect angle without having to unclamp it. It also includes a large 2.9 by 3 inch anvil area on the back for hammering and shaping tasks. For jobs that require intricate cuts, sanding in tight spaces, or removing grout and sealant, an oscillating multi-tool is a uniquely versatile problem solver. This Enertwist 4.2 amp oscillating multi-tool kit offers a ton of power and versatility for $55. It's driven by a corded 4.2 ampere pure copper motor, which provides strong performance for tough jobs like cutting through nails embedded in wood, trimming door casings, or scraping away old paint. One of its best features is a wide 5-degree oscillation angle, which allows for faster and more aggressive cutting and sanding compared to many other tools in its class. It also has a variable speed dial with 6 settings, ranging from 8,000 to 16,000 oscillations per minute, giving you precise control for different materials. The toolless blade change system is incredibly convenient, and the universal fit system means it accepts accessories from all major brands. When it comes to rotary tools, Dremel is the name that everyone knows, and this kit is a powerhouse for detailed work. The Dremel 4000 variable speed rotary toolkit, priced at $79, is a versatile and powerful tool for a huge range of applications. It's perfect for detailed tasks like carving, engraving, grinding, polishing, and sanding. The 1.6 ampere motor provides high power at all speeds, which are variable from 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute. This allows you to match the speed perfectly to the material you're working on. It has an electronic speed control that maintains consistent power even when the tool is under load. The ergonomic design includes a 360-degree grip zone for comfort and control during extended use. This kit comes with 2 attachments and 32 accessories, so you can tackle a wide variety of projects right out of the box. In our final category, we're looking at top-tier tools that offer professional-level performance, capacity, and convenience. Stepping up in size and capacity, we have the Fado Light Bench Vise, which is a serious piece of hardware for $95. This is an 8-inch vise, meaning its jaws are a very wide 7.87 inches, and they open to the same distance. This gives you the ability to clamp very large workpieces securely. Like the other vise we looked at, this one is made from durable ductile iron and provides a minimum of 4,000 pounds of clamping force. It also features a 360-degree rotating base, allowing you to swing the vise around to whatever position is most convenient for your work. The large reinforced anvil surface on the back measures 3.8 by 3.8 inches, providing a substantial area for striking tasks. This is an ideal vise for both industrial and serious DIY home use. For woodworkers looking for a powerful and reliable cordless drill, a brushless model is the way to go. This Greenworks 24-volt brushless cordless drill combo kit at $99 is a fantastic value. It includes both a drill driver and an impact driver. The key feature here is the brushless motor. Brushless technology means the drill runs cooler, delivers more power and torque, has a longer battery runtime, and has a much longer overall service life compared to older brushed motors. The drill has a 2-speed transmission and a 1/2-inch keyless chuck, delivering up to 310 inch-pounds of torque for demanding drilling tasks. The impact driver is a beast for driving screws, offering up to 1,950 inch-pounds of torque. The kit includes two 1.5 ampere-hour batteries and a charger, so you can have one battery working while the other is charging, eliminating downtime. Finally, keeping your tools organized and mobile, especially on a job site or in a large workshop, is crucial for efficiency. To round out our list, the Klein tools. 62202M BMOD box. Tool Tote is a premium tool storage solution for $99. This isn't just a bag, it's part of a modular system. It can securely connect to other Klein MOD box components, allowing you to build a custom rolling workstation. The tote itself is made from a rugged, water-resistant 1680D ballistic weave material, so it's built to last. It boasts an impressive 33 pockets, providing a designated spot for all your hand tools, gear, and small parts. It has a rugged hard handle for a firm carrying grip, and even includes a special bracket for attaching a Klein Tools headlamp to illuminate the bag's contents or your workspace. It's the ultimate grab-and-go system for keeping your essential tools organized and accessible. So that's all about the 30 incredible woodworking tools that prove you can equip your shop on any budget. We've covered everything from basic hand tools to powerful cordless drills. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which tool you're adding to your collection first. Thanks for watching.